hey, Vern.
So let's walk down here. Let's see what's going on. Maybe they're putting straw out into the field. Yeah, it looks like straw. Why are they putting it out like that? I don't know. Oh, they're doing some kind of a grain type deal. They're taking the grain and shooting out all the other stuff back out into the field. Ah, I see what they're doing. Okay. Is that wheat? Is that wheat or rice?
Rice.
Oh, it is rice. Okay. Thank you.
Now, besides farming rice, it looks like the students here also raise animals. And I'm not sure if they raise these ducks for the eggs, for the meat, or what exactly they're raised for. So they must have some type of a purpose that will bring them some kind of a learning benefit and also a financial benefit. Now, if we walk down this road and take the next left, if you follow that down onto the gate, it will take you into the backside of the Silliman University Zoo. Now, the few times that I had been here, I did not realize that this property and the zoo property were one big property just divided by a fence. So now we enter the gate into the Silliman University Zoo. Now this is not the normal entrance. The normal entrance is out on the roadside, but I just want to give you kind of a bird's eye view of where exactly we are.
Hello. Mayon hapon. Let's see if I can get this thing to work. All right. So, how many bags of rice can you make with that machine in 1 hour? How many bags?
1 hour. 100.
100 bags? So you work really hard when you are moving. How many bags can you get out of a field like this? How many bags?
Whole.
Yeah. Guess. I'm curious.
300. 300. 300.
Wow. So you know just how much. Now, the rice, it comes out of there. Does it need to be cleaned? And how does it become white? Because it's green now, right? It's green, the rice. Nosebleed, right? Ah! So the rice is green
Yeah.
now. Do they use bleach to turn white? Don't know. So it needs to go through a machine, another machine, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So my son is so dry
Oh, dry. You have to dry it.
before machine.
Oh, and then the outside comes off. The outside of the rice, the cover comes off.
Yeah.
And then then you can eat. So brown rice.
Brown rice is
It's rice with the cover on, right?
oh yeah.
And that's better for you. It's more healthy because that part of the rice has the vitamins and minerals.
No cholesterol.
Right. Once you take off the outside, the white rice, I know nosebleed, right? The white part is not healthy. It is sugar. It turns to sugar when you eat the white. But the brown rice is much better for you. So
So medicine is brown rice.
it's very much better. Yeah. Because they say white rice, no minerals, no vitamins. Brown rice, many vitamins, many minerals.
Dagan.
Mm.
Dagan.
So even though people don't understand you a lot of times, still make an effort. Still try to learn, show that you care enough to try. And that's the most important. Just try to bridge that gap. You pave the ground for the next person that comes along, that they'll try to contact a little bit more and make it another good experience.